Do you ever wonder why drug brand names sound so weird?
Ask about Xeljanz.
Ask your doctor about Farxiga.
Ask your doctor about Celebrex.
Names like Farxiga, Hetlioz, Tecfidera, and Zycadia, they may sound more like Star Trek planets than drug brand names, but these are actually medicines recently approved by the FDA. So where do drug names come from? There's actually a ton of regulations behind why we get the drug names we get. The first thing to consider, of course, is safety. The FDA actually considers the safety of a drug name when it looks to approve a brand name. So it needs to think about things, does it sound too similar to another drug name? Does it look too similar when it's being written? Because you don't want to mix up drug names when you're prescribing them. That's the first consideration. The second thing the FDA takes into account is whether the drug name makes any claims about superiority to other products, or to the way the drug works, or to minimize risks about how the drug works or its safety. If it sounds too similar to something else, the FDA might say that's a no-go. For example, if you think about Rogaine, in the US it's called Rogaine. In the rest of the world, it's called Regaine. The FDA said that was too close to saying you regain hair, and it nixed that one.
Well, we found out that drug names don't really have much to do with the English language. If you look at the letter frequency distribution of all the letters that we use in English, Z's, X's, and Q's are what stand out the most for drug names relative to English. The letters used in drug names are actually so far away from how we use letters in the English language that they correlate more with languages like Italian, Spanish, and Esperanto, which isn't even really a real language if you think about it.
So as more drugs get approved, these names are always going to be out there. So it's only going to get harder and harder to find unique names for new drugs. So what I'm told is that drug names are only going to get weirder, and they also may start to get longer. Take a few drugs that were approved recently, like Tecfidera. That's 4 syllables, 9 letters. People tell me that's a great name. There's also another one with 5 syllables called Genta Duetto, and I'm told that as people need to find more unique names, these names are only going to get longer. So the 5-syllable drug name is on the horizon.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. You can subscribe by clicking right here to check out the latest Mad Money CEO interviews, market news, financial advice, and product unboxing. Enjoy!